Welcome! If you want to get this iOS launcher on your ULEFONE Power 3S, right now I'm going to show you how to get it in a really easy way. So for the first, I'm going to delete this application. So click hold, tap on the delete. So right now it changed to our default launcher, and there's the second application also connected to this launcher. And right now we can move smoothly for the Play Store. Click on the search and type here iOS launcher. We have to get this application from the Lutin developer. Click here, tap on the install and just wait. Click right here on the open button. Tap allow 3 times. And right now go for the control center. We have to turn off this ad right here in the right upper corner. Okay, right now click on the OK and get this control center. Click open. Use the switcher, click on the go back, move 2 times like that. And right now we have to also turn off this ad. And click on the home button. And right now we have to select our launcher, and of course we are going to select iOS launcher. Click here and tap on the always. Click on the we got it. And as you can see right now our launcher has changed. It looks almost the same like on the iPhone devices. And if you want to get this control center, just click here. Just slide from the right edge of your smartphone, select this marker, and right now we can open it. And as you can see, this is how it looks. I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.